Hello dear children, today I will teach you some more facts about computer mouse. Children, you already know about the computer mouse. We have already discussed it in our previous computer class. Let us now recall it at first. Do you remember what is a mouse? It is a pointing device. It has generally two buttons. Let us now learn more about the mouse. Mouse is an input device. It helps us to point at any item on the screen and also to draw pictures. So children, today we will discuss about mouse pointer, holding a mouse and mouse actions. So let's start. At first we will discuss about mouse pointer. So let us know what is it. When we move a mouse, an arrow moves on the monitor screen in the same direction. The slant arrow is called the mouse pointer. Children, now we will learn to hold a computer mouse. To use a mouse, we simply grip it in the palm of our hand and move it from side to side. As we move the mouse, the pointer can be seen moving on the screen. It moves so fast from one corner of the screen to the other that it gives the impression of a mouse running around. Now we will learn about the mouse actions. There are 5 mouse actions which can be performed using a mouse. They are single click, double click, right click, drag and drop and scrolling. Let us learn about them. Single click. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. When we press the left mouse button once and release, it is called a single click. This click is used to select an icon on the monitor. For example, when we single click on the start button, the start menu opens up. Next is double click. Pressing the left mouse button twice quickly and releasing it is called double click. This click is used to open an icon on the monitor. For example, if we move the mouse pointer on the recycle bin icon on the monitor and double click, the recycle bin window will open. Next is right click. Pressing the right mouse button once and releasing it is called a right click. It shows a list of commands on the monitor. For example, if we move the mouse pointer on the recycle bin icon on the monitor and right click it, a list of commands gets displayed. To understand it better, please follow the images on the video. The next mouse action that we discuss today is drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move an item present on the screen to a new location. For example, to move the recycle bin icon to a new location, the steps are as follows. At first, we single click on the recycle bin icon. Then, keeping the left mouse button pressed, move the mouse on the mouse pad. The selected recycle bin icon moves along. Step 3. Select a new location for the icon and release the mouse button. The selected recycle bin icon is at the new location. The last mouse action that is to be discussed today is scrolling. The rolling of the scroll wheel of a mouse upwards or downwards is called scrolling. To move a page up or down, we scroll the mouse. Look at the pictures to understand it better. Here I have shown the page before scrolling and the page after scrolling. So dear children, I hope you understand this chapter well. Now try to solve the exercises given in your book. Thank you.